Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Redmi 13C is ready, check MIUI updates, and enable screen rotation if needed. Once done, open the two apps you want in split screen so they appear in Recent. Now, tap the Recent button or swipe up and hold depending on your navigation. You're doing this because split screen requires active app instances in memory. Next, locate the small app icon or three-dot menu above an app preview to access splits. With both apps showing in Recent, tap the app icon at the top of its card or the three-dot menu to reveal the split screen command. Select split screen. Your active app will dock to the top or left while Recent appears beneath or to the right. Now pick the second app from Recent or Home to fill the other half. You can drag the divider to reallocate space and make sure gestures and input are responsive. This helps when one app needs more focus. To finish, resize using the divider and interact with both apps as needed. You can tap an app icon to swap positions. When you're done, return to Home or drag the divider all the way to the edge to close split screen. If you hit problems, like lag or one app not responding, make sure to close heavy background apps and try again. A quick restart clears memory and resolves most issues. If split screen still fails, check MIUI settings or app compatibility as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.